So, tomorrow is my last day of winter break, and that means that after tomorrow, you're not going to be seeing any videos from me during the week for a long time, only on the weekends. So yeah, today we're going to be doing another reaction video, which might be obvious because of the format of the video, and today we are going to be reacting to Kidde NightHawk smoke detectors, a video I did of all of the smoke detectors that were from Kidde or NightHawk. Yeah, back at my old house.
Okay, I was watching a video on YouTube last night that was about a whole bunch of Kidde smoke detectors. So I got the idea to do this.
Well, you can tell right from the beginning of the video that I filmed this with my 4th generation iPod Touch and edited with Windows Movie Maker because of the black bars, which I actually cut out of this video. I cropped it a little bit better, so, or maybe I didn't. I don't know. Maybe I couldn't figure it out. I haven't edited it yet, so deal with it.
Says Kidde NightHawk. My iPod won't focus that.
This is a really quiet video too.
It says a division of Kidde safety. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to push the test button on all of them.
All of them, all three.
With a match. But before I do that,
I wish I would have tested the carbon monoxide things and these fail. I wish I would have tested the carbon monoxide feature in those other detectors.
I don't know if you can see this.
And for those curious, we did not bring those detectors to the new house.
Yep. You can't see it.
Yeah, we left them back at the old house.
Anyway, which one should we start with? How about this one? Whoa, what the heck?
Windows Movie Maker title.
Oh yeah,
yep.
That means it was doing that.
Oh, I remember what I did. I clipped all of the videos together with the Dell Inspiron with Windows Movie Maker Vista Edition. And then I did the rest of the editing, like the titles and the intro and crap, with Windows Movie Maker XP Edition. I don't know why I did that, but I did. Kind of stupid, but oh well. And the black bars are just annoying.
And get down to these two. Hey, look, it's a pyramid.
It's a pyramid.
Anyway,
yay, freaking yay.
Let's test this one next.
I remember it was so loud in that garage since my dad was at work and his car wasn't there, so it was echoey. Here it comes.
Carbon monoxide in a minute.
Warning, carbon monoxide.
No, it didn't do the chirp at the end. Now, last but certainly not least, this one. There is a difference. See, this is in a different font.
I can't remember. Oh, that one's the newer one that I'm showing right now.
Push to test. This one only says push and hold to test weekly. But you don't even have to hold it. You just have to push it.
I remember we had another one of those that died on us.
Fire.
It was flashing the alert chirp, which means something was wrong with it. And the carbon monoxide part in it was dead. And one time my dad woke up in the morning and he heard it just continuously beeping in the basement, so he went down and just took it out. I might have talked about that in one of these old videos, I'm not sure.
Since I'm in my garage,
burn marks in the garage.
Maybe I can put my iPod up against this.
My obsession with fire was, yeah. I think that was from those little things that you light on fire and they grow. I don't know what they're called.
We're going to test this one first with the real match since it failed the test in my other video. So let's.
And I had. I remember almost everyone I knew back then kept the wristbands from like amusement parks and crap on their arms for a long time after they went to the place. I just kept them on until they broke, but I don't do that crap no more. I usually wear a watch, but I took it off for right now.
Oh, okay.
Fire.
battery out. Next, we'll test the other NightHawk one. Smoking carbon monoxide. Oh, no, don't go away.
These Windows Movie Maker titles are really annoying. I don't know why, but they just are. Is it gonna go, or what?
Oh, the ionization chamber is like right there.
The ionization chamber.
You see the ionization chamber in it?
I didn't know crap about fire
is
alarms
right
back then, apparently.
there. I don't know if you can see that.
Although, like, technically, I guess that would be the correct word for it. I don't know, though.
This right here against this.
It just kind of sounds stupid. Ionization chamber.
Two matches.
Hold it right into the ionization detector there. That's awesome. There it is.
That's loud.
Fire. Fire.
I don't know why I didn't
That's
just push the
really
test
loud.
button, but oh well.
Okay. Last but not least.
And again, with... Oh, there isn't even a watermark on this video.
This is my favorite NightHawk one that we own. Just looks nice.
Apparently I wasn't watermarking my videos back in the day.
In front, which is
I don't think I started until late in 2012.
This is dual sensor, which means it has ionization chamber and photo.
But hey, at least my watermark is just the little logo on the opposite corner of the screen. Pretty nice. I got rid of the stupid copyright DaSamNudge and then the ear thing. That was kind of annoying. I didn't like it anymore, so I just put my logo in the corner. Here it comes. It's already 10 freaking o'clock at night. Is it gonna happen?
It's gonna
Nope.
scare me.
It failed.
Wait, where's the sensor?
I wonder,
Photo
I
electric is right there. Right here is photo
I don't know if you guys remember, but a long time ago I did a dry ice bomb and it set off my neighbor's car alarm, and he was featured in the video. He still lives in the house next to the house that this video was shot in, and he told me they redid the living room and dining room and the kitchen. I wonder if they took down that smoke detector. I don't know. I want to go back in that house sometime and look around and see what's changed. I know they got rid of that colorful ceiling fan I had in my room, well, my old room.
I don't know if that ruined it or what.
But that fan sucked, so it needed to be replaced because the bearings were bad. Whoa, that scared me to... These Windows Movie Maker titles just suck, guys. I'm like,
Chamber
make it stop!
detector is
Make it
probably
stop!
so it won't stop going off. Yeah, it won't.
You have
It's
failed.
a feature that it has. This smoke detector, it has a feature. See, it's flashing. Maybe
It's not flashing.
But this hush button,
I did like that there was a
Right here?
separate button to silence
it
the
has
thing.
a thing. If you push it and it keeps going off, it means that there's too much smoke and it can't stop. So, let's put the batteries back in this.
Again with the titles. Come on now.
What the heck? That was weird. Oh, wrong way.
The titles are
Yeah.
just distracting in this video.
This one's weird when you put the batteries back in it. Ready? Listen to what it says.
Fail.
It usually says push test button. Let's try it again.
I think this is... Oh, come on. You've got to be kidding me. Look at this. I'm not sure who to blame here. Should I blame Apple or Google? I don't know. Alright, let me just put the webcam back. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna have to refresh the page and go to 10:02 in the video. Alright, 10:02. Alright, here we go.
Push test button.
See. So let's push it.
I don't know why I thought that was so funny.
Fire. Fire.
And look at how shaky the video is. Holy crap. The 4th generation iPod Touch took the worst video.
So that's it for my NightHawk brand smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. My next video will be about all my smoke detectors except for the hardwired one. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Here's something weird about this smoke detector. This is kind of the same thing for
remember
every
this part.
battery-powered one we have in the house. I'm not sure about that hardwired one because I haven't tested it.
It looks like, I think I took this part of the video with my mom's iPhone 5.
But I read this in the user's manual. It says
Because it's actually, like, watchable.
The horn is 85 decibels. But when I read it with my iPod's
I think,
decibel reader
oh,
app
I
that
remember
downloaded,
this. It's
you'll see
85
what
decibels
it
at
reads.
10 feet, I think. I'm not entirely sure, but I think it was 10 feet.
Fire. Fire.
Yep, that's right. 104 decibels.
Warning. Carbon monoxide.
I think the 85 was taken at 10 feet away from the alarm, but I'm not entirely sure.
This smoke detector reads 104 decibels. So,
Right up
either
next
the
to it, though.
user's manual is lying, or my iPod is really screwed up. And it's the
Well,
same thing
of course
with that
of course it's screwed up. It's an Apple product.
That reads 104 decibels.
Oh,
So
the
that's
exit
it.
sign.
Thank
I
you
still
for
need to
watching.
put that back
Hey
up.
guys, this is going to be the last part of the video. But do you remember in the garage when I set
These
this up
titles.
with real smoke? Well, we have to clear the memory. So let's do that. Yep, the memory is cleared. That's it for the whole video. Thank you for watching.
Oh. The titles just suck. Oh yeah, nice copy paste there, kid. Or maybe I just like copied it and typed it down slowly. Why is this? Why? Why did I do this? Oh, found it out on Andrew's channel. Freaking fantastic. Alright guys, looks like that's going to be it for the video. An unexpected shout out to New Age Server Alarm, link in the description below. So yeah, that's going to be it for the video guys, and thank you for watching the video.